In this video I'll show you how you can use interactive whiteboard software to use colour change to make activities. So this is an example with antonyms. I've got some coloured words on backgrounds here, and as I drag each word to the other side you'll see that it changes. So empty into full, and we're looking at some antonyms here. And how I've done this is, if I click on one of these words, you'll see the text box here has got something empty. If I drag it out of here onto the white background, you'll see that the yellow word disappears when it goes onto the yellow, and the pink word will disappear when it goes onto pink. And then when you drag it over, the contrasting word will appear. So I'll show you how to make one from scratch. First of all, I'm going to use my shapes here to draw a box, and then I'm going to click on the box, and on this little button here that will duplicate it, so I've got two. I'll just line them up next to each other. Now I'm going to use my paint bucket tool. I'll do this one in red and blue. So there's the paint bucket, this side red, and I want to make the border red as well, and this side can be blue and the border's blue. Now I click on the T and I type some text. So I'll have hot and cold, and I'll have left and right. So I'll line my words up, and I'm going to use the paint bucket tool again now to change this side to blue. So blue and blue, and if I needed to change that colour I could change that as well, but we'll stick with the red. And so the other thing I need to do is to lock these squares so they don't move around. So I'm just going to select them, do a right click and lock, and now when I pull the words on they disappear, and we've got cold and hot and left and right.